Welcome back to video number 4. All right, I have gone ahead to tick the numbers that are already in standard form, so I won't be going through those. I hope you can see for yourself very easily why those are considered standard form. The first number is between 1 and less than 10, and the power is expressed as a whole number. For the others that are not ticked, let's see how we can express it. So the first one, I'm going to shift the decimal place backwards. 1, 2, 3. Remember, it should be 2.5. So if I shift the decimal place back by 3 times, then I'm going to, then this power has also got to reduce, right? So it's 8 minus 3 is 5. So the correct answer is going to be 2.5 times 10 to the power of 5. Now, if you don't believe me, feel free to use a calculator to check. In fact, you should use a calculator to check, right? In this day and age of misinformation and distractions, you should still use your own methods to verify. The next one, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm moving this back by 5. Now you might be tempted to change -11 to -6, right? But remember, we are subtracting 5. The first one, the very first one, we subtracted 3, right? So 8 minus 3 is 5. And the second one, we're going to subtract 5 from -11. So it's -11 minus 5. And this would be -16. So it's going to be 1.32 times 10 to the power of -16. I hope you didn't get tricked for that one. Here, I've got a negative number. My decimal place is actually behind the number. So I'm going to shift it forward 1, 2. When I shift this forward by 2, I'm going to add 2 to this. Okay? So my final answer, don't forget the negative. Ooh, 5.01 times 10 to the power of -2, because -4 plus 2 is -2. Okay? Uh, this is actually kind of a common type of question where they will give you, say, 5,000 nanometers. Convert 5,000 nanometers to micrometers. And then you have to, first of all, remember what nano is, what micro is, and then do I shift the decimal place forward? Do I shift it backwards? That's what you have to remember. Okay, so this is good practice for you. And the last one, I'm shifting this forward by 1 decimal place. And remember, if I'm shifting it forward by 1 decimal place, I have to add 1 to this. So my final answer is 7.952 times 10 to the power of 16. Again, if they don't say anything and this number is exact, then go ahead and leave it as that. If they specifically ask for 3 sig fig or 2 sig fig, then it would be 7.95 times 10 to the power of 16. Or if it's um this is 3 sig fig. If it's 2 sig figs, then it will become 8, not just 8, 8.0, all right? Because I'm rounding the 9 up, so it becomes 8.0 times 10 to the power of 16. So this is 2SF. Okay, did you get it right? I hope you did. If you did not, don't worry. We're still in the learning phase. It's okay to make mistakes as long as you learn from them.